What's going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and I am back in the shop. And what I started with was Dr. Scott's Pathfinder build. Now, this is the first time I've done a Pathfinder build of this particular generation. I've done several Pathfinder builds in the past. This one is a 2008. It's just a basic projector retrofit, still using the Morimoto MD2S projector. It's a full 3-inch projector. He loves Switchback products, so we have both a Switchback Halo and a Switchback Strip. What I particularly like about this build is the way that that projector shroud really trims out inside of there. It actually took quite a bit of effort in order to make it fit just perfectly, but it came out fabulous, and so I'm extremely pleased with that. There's no gaps or fitment issues with that one. As you can see, we still have the amber reflectors on the side, and we have an LED bulb and an LED bulb. So let's fire these things on so you can see what they look like. Voila! So for starters, these are the Switchback products as they are in the white mode right now, so presumably this will be a running light mode. They are extremely bright. So as I said, these products are Switchback, so they will blink with the turn signal. Right now I'm just doing them manually, just pushing the wires. This is the other side in action, just in case you thought only one side blinks. No sir, they both blink, which is pretty fabulous. And once the turn signal turns off, they go back to the standard running light white. Now if we turn off those Switchback strips and turn on one of the HID systems, you will see it starts off as a slightly cool color. Again, this is a 50 watt setup as a pure white running light when it warms up to temp, which takes about 30 seconds to a minute, but it is an HID system, it is extremely powerful. It is going to be fabulous and wonderful and bright and not blind oncoming traffic as compared to the alternatives of putting an HID bulb in a rear reflector housing or an LED bulb, God forbid, in a rear reflector housing, which is also a huge no-no. But this will be amazing and wonderful, and if I don't drop him, then he'll be pretty happy. That's the type of light output you should expect from a quality HID system. As you can see, it has a nice, beautiful, crisp cutoff line, which is why you are not upsetting oncoming traffic and other drivers on the road. Look at that. Wow, super bright. That is all I need to say for this particular build. Thank you so much for watching. Pricing and product information for this particular build will be in the video description, so be sure and check out that information. All build requests should be emailed to me. Everything is custom made to order. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you have yourselves a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later.